Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom. And today we're going to make us some Hawaiian pizza, and we're going to use this Pizzazz Plus here from Presto Pizza Maker. And the last time I made a pizza on this thing, somebody says, well, that's not very fast. Well, I don't do it on there to make it fast. I do it on there to make it good and delicious, and you can stand there and watch it go around and work. So anyway, let's get started with it. I'm going to use this PRESTO pizza bread right here, thin crust. I got my mozzarella cheese here. And I'm going to use spaghetti sauce now. A lot of people like to use tomato paste, and that's fine. Tomato sauce, tomato paste, whatever you want to. But I'm going to use this Prego tomato basil garlic sauce on it. And then I'm going to use this pineapple here, of course. And that's a sweet pineapple. I just cleaned it the other day and it sure is good. So anyway, let's get started with it. Okay, now I've unrolled this dough here and it comes on this piece of paper like this. Now the next trick is to get it over here on this Piazza pie pan. We'll turn it up like that. Now, gotta get it off this paper like this. Now the colder you can do this, the better. I don't mean freeze it or anything, but it needs to be pretty cold. There we go, just like that. Isn't that beautiful? All right, we accomplished that. Now next thing we'll do is start putting this spaghetti sauce right on top of it like this right here. Just start spreading it out. Too thick in here because I want all this other stuff to come through, so this is probably about enough, the spaghetti sauce here. Or we'll call it, let's call it spaghetti, pizza sauce, not spaghetti sauce. This is pizza sauce. There you go. Now, a while ago when I was telling you the ingredients, I forgot to tell you about the ham. We're going to have ham. Okay, now the next thing is I got some of this Black Forest ham here, just thin sliced. And I'm going to put a liberal amount on, and I'm going to shred it up here. Okay, now I'm going to take this mozzarella cheese here and start putting on it. Put your little amount on there, everything that you like. So like I say, most of the time this is your pizza, so when you get ready to make it, you make it to suit yourself. We like cheese, so we're going to put some mozzarella on here. Like that. Okay, now Kay's chopped me up this about a quarter of a small onion here, or about, I guess it's about a medium onion. We'll put some onions on here. onions on it. There. Now, next thing we're going to do, okay, now we'll take this pineapple I cleaned the other day and we'll start putting it on here. Just cut it up in little pieces. Okay, just keep going around and around and around it until you get as many pineapple on there as you want. Now I like a lot of pineapple. Okay, now I got the pineapple on there. I'm going to take just a little bit more mozzarella on there. You know, you can't never have too much mozzarella. Put it on there like that. A little bit more, not too much, you know, but a little bit more. I have a little bit more mozzarella. Now, we're getting close to ready here. Now, next thing we're going to do is bring this pan over here like this, and we're going to set it right on this Pizzazz Plus here. Set it on there like that. Now it's ready to go. Now next thing we'll do is plug it up. And there it goes. Now I'm going to just start out on the lower burner here, because it's got dual burners. It's got one on the bottom, one on top, of course. I'm going to start out on the bottom, and I'm going to let it go for about 12 and a half minutes like that on the bottom. Let that bottom start getting crisp and brown and stuff, and then I'll turn the dual on. So we'll be back in just a few minutes. Okay, now one thing about this is, I really love this, but if you got small children, you make sure you keep those small children away from it, because the way you can see it here, I've got it hanging over the edge of the counter, and that is really dangerous if you've got children around. Sometimes it's dangerous with me around, clumsy as I am. But anyway, don't have it where small children can touch it, because this gets extremely hot. Like right now, I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's 170 degrees right there on the edge of that. And I don't even have the top burner on yet, which I'm fixing to turn it on right now in a minute, because it's been on there for about 8 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and turn on the other burner up top. So just keep that in mind. Like I say, I really love this machine. I love making pizza on it, but it can be dangerous. Alright, so now I've got the top burner turned on, and I'm going to run it up here to 16 minutes on that timer, and then we'll let it start going. Now just a word, now Christmas time is coming on pretty quick, and so this is one of those things that gets hard to find sometimes. That's just like last year with the Ninja Foodie. You could not find one of those things at Christmas time. You couldn't even find a part for it. I tried to order a bowl, I couldn't even find a bowl for it. So just beware, if you think you want something like this, now be the time to go ahead and get it, you know, so you'll have it for the holidays, you know, because if you want to give it for a Christmas present, you better get one. Same thing with the Ninja Foodie here. Of course, they've got so many Ninja Foodies in the stores right now, I don't know how in the world they could ever sell out of them. Because everywhere you go, you see Ninja Foodies here and Ninja Foodies there. So, anyway, still you probably get it best at Amazon. So anyway, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, now let me show you the difference in the way the temperature of this thing now. Now see, after I've turned that top element on, it's up to 260, 259, 260. So, like I say, that's extremely hot. So please don't let those children next to it. Keep them away. Okay, this thing is about done. So next thing I'm going to do is put on my gloves, and you just have to pick it up, just like that. Come over here and, okay, that's a great looking pizza. And I'm gonna grab this little piece right here. That's Kay's 2 pieces there. I better not touch those, I get in trouble. And I'm gonna grab this other little piece here. You all got some good stuff. So if you like any of these ingredients, that sure is a good pizza. You know, don't take about 15-20 minutes to fix it. That's about it. And it sure is delicious. So that's about it for this little video, and I hope you enjoy watching it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And I hope you come back and see us real soon. And if you can, give us a thumbs up and join our channel. Until next time, I hope y'all have a real good and safe day and come back and see us soon. Until then, goodbye now.